Cristina, ¿dónde estás? Cristina. Cristina. Cristinita. You gotta put your hat on right. Let's see. Alright. This is Grandma and Grandpa's hat you have here. Yeah, they gave it to you. Where are you, boo-boo? Do you like it? Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. I took my first steps today, July 3rd. Just a week before my birthday. Yeah. Beach. There's Carlos, the baby, Sofia, Mom, Dad, and David, and Sofia. And we're gonna try to rent one of those, let's see, one of those boats over there, where we go out to the water for a little bit and have fun. There's Sophie swimming. Oops, sorry. Shit. Not very good camera work. Whoa. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. All right, more later. Hi, Sophie. Whoa! We bought this little pool today, little €6 pool. It was pretty cute. Anyway, all right, more later. Bye-bye.